Mr. Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Inter-island shipping is indeed the lifeline of our maritime communities, and the government remains committed to ensuring reliable, safe and affordable services through the Government Shipping Franchise Scheme, GSFS. This scheme plays a critical role in strengthening connectivity and accessibility to markets, supporting economic activities and improving livelihoods of Fijians who live in uneconomical routes. At present, there are 10 routes operating under the franchise scheme. The routes to Rotuma, Northeast Bunolevu, Asawa, Lower Southern Lau operate on a monthly basis. The routes to Kandavu, Lamaiviti, Upper Southern Lau, Northern Lau, Esa Samoala operates on a fortnightly basis, while Lambenga Yanuda Vatulele route operates once every 2 months. Together with the government shipping services, 3 private operators are contracted to deliver these services. They are Brighton Holdings Fiji Limited, Gaunda Shipping Limited, and Interlink Line Shipping Limited. For the 2024-25 financial year, the Ministry was allocated a budget of 3.4 million to support the scheme. By the end of July 2025, we had successfully utilized 92% of this allocation, amounting to 3.13 million. This reflects the Ministry's commitment to prudent financial management and efficient service delivery. During the same period, a total of 156 franchise trips were undertaken, ensuring continuity of services to our maritime communities. These trips carried more than 22,000 passengers, representing a 49% increase compared with the 2023-24 financial year. The scheme also transported more than 6,000 tons of cargo, including building materials, groceries, medical supplies, and other essentials vital to daily life in the maritime islands. Mr. Speaker, sir, to ensure that the services under the franchise scheme are delivered in accordance with the contractual obligations, the Ministry deploys shipping franchise observers on board franchise vessels. These observers travel with the passengers and cargo on each trip to monitor performance and ensure compliance with service standards. Maritime travelers are also strongly encouraged to approach our SFOs, shipping franchise observers, directly if they encounter any issues or are not satisfied with the overall service. This mechanism not only strengthens transparency and accountability, but also ensures that the concerns of our maritime citizens are heard and addressed in a timely manner. Mr. Speaker, the impact of the scheme extends beyond transport. It has allowed communities to participate in major events such as the Methodist Church Conference, various sporting events such as the Coca-Cola Games, and regular school terms or end-of-term trips, enabling students, teachers, and families to travel between the islands and Suva with ease. The scheme has also provided crucial support for government outreach. For example, coordinated trips to our islands have brought together Ministry of Health, Ministry of Public Works, RFMF engineers for hospital upgrades, jetty maintenance. At the same time, the Ministry of Local Affairs undertook awareness campaigns on chiefly titled vacancies, while the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Fiji Navy, Fiji Police, and the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development carried out official duties in the outer islands. The scheme has also enabled vibrant and economic cultural exchanges. In many cases, routes such as the Mbenga Nuda Vatulele carried building materials for schools and homes, while traders shipped commodities such as copra, seafood, and handicrafts. Non-government organizations and church groups relied on the services to conduct awareness programs, while communities used the trips to gather for traditional gatherings such as funerals or Bosinitikina and Bosiniasana. Infrastructure improvements were also facilitated through the schemes, including maintenance of the Oinafa jetty in Rotuma, ongoing lighthouse repairs, both of which enhance maritime safety and accessibility. Mr. Speaker, at the heart of the government shipping franchise scheme is about people, ensuring families remain connected, students pursue education, businesses can thrive, and essential services reach every corner of our nation. Winak.
Thank the Minister, the Honourable Filipe Tuisawau, for